Can you use white vinegar to clean your home? Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. If you could invent an extremely effective and environmentally friendly cleaning product, what would it be? Many people answered white vinegar. This staple household product is not only readily available, but also safe, cheap, and extremely effective. You can list hundreds of uses for white vinegar, which has been a kitchen staple for centuries. Organic weed killer. Did you know that white vinegar is potent enough to kill those pesky weeds and even the plants that you've grown in your garden? So, if you plan to use this as a natural weed killer, you need to be sure that you don't spray it recklessly. You have to spray it directly on the weeds that you are trying to get rid of. It is recommended that you do this if the weather outside is warm and sunny. Although it works well in the sun, it needs some time for it to work its magic. Pet care. If you have a dog with floppy ears and it has been with you for quite some time, you know very well that there are instances when your furry friend suffers from scaly and itchy ears. You can take care of that using vinegar. All you need to do is mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 4 tablespoons of water. Soak a clean rag into the solution and then use it to wipe the inside of your dog's ears. Also, vinegar can be an effective feline repellent. If you don't want unwanted cats creeping around your garden, just pour or spray vinegar on their favorite litter box. Clean the dishes and dishwasher. Who doesn't love sparkling plates, glasses and other dishes? There's no need to buy fancy cleaning detergents. All you need is vinegar. You can use it as a rinsing agent to clean your dishes. It can also be used to clean the dishwasher. You don't have to do anything complicated. Once a year, you can pour a cup of vinegar into your empty dishwasher and run it. It will help get rid of lime and soap that may have accumulated in the dishwasher, which prevents it from doing its job properly. Car cleaning. Do you have that car sticker that you want to remove but just can't seem to do so? Worry no more. Get rid of it easily by spraying in diluted white vinegar until the sticker loosens up. Another use of vinegar for car cleaning is as an effective deodorizer and car cleaner. During winter, you can wipe down your car windows using diluted vinegar so you can keep it frost-free. Extend life of cut flowers. When it comes to extending the life of cut flowers, some say you should use a copper penny while others swear by aspirin. Another good option is to adding white vinegar to water and then add a bit of sugar. Tile cleaner. When it comes to cleaning discolored grout, tile, and caulk, most homeowners turn to bleach. But did you know you can use white vinegar to clean and whiten up the grout and tiles? Not only that, it is a much safer option compared to chlorine bleach. All you need to do is spray a full-strength vinegar on the caulk or grout in your kitchen and shower. Leave it for about an hour and use a brush to scrub it off. Good for laundry. If you check out the laundry rooms of people who are into green living, you will see vinegar next to the detergent. You will find it useful for removing stains like tomato sauce, mustard, and underarm deodorants. All you have to do is spray white vinegar onto the stain. You can also restore the whiteness of white clothes by soaking them in vinegar. Never add vinegar to chlorine bleach, because this will produce a noxious chlorine gas, a compound that could be potentially deadly. Kitchen cleaner. Vinegar is also an effective kitchen cleaner. You can use it to give your coffee maker a thorough cleanse. Don't forget to run fresh water before using it again. It can be used to disinfect wood cutting boards, clean sterling silver, stainless steel, and even your microwave. If your sink is smelly or clogged, pour 1/4 cup of baking soda and a cup of vinegar down the drain. Cover the drain and let the solution get rid of the clogs. Hard water stain remover. Vinegar can also effectively remove the grit that may have developed and accumulated in your sink, toilet bowl, or bathtub. It will help loosen up the lime deposits so you can remove them easily. Additionally, if you have appliances that do not work right due to hard water like faucets, shower heads, and irons, you can simply spray or soak them in white vinegar. Vinegar is among the world's best and most effective all-purpose green cleaning option that can be used for countless purposes. It can be used to clean windows, carpet stains, mattress, upholstery, and even hardwood floors. Check out our other cleaning tips where baking soda is used as a home cleaner. Check for links in the description below.